Whether you are a professional presenter or just give an occasional report, looking your very best is vital. Let the patented ShowStyle self-packing briefcase display by Xpogo bring fresh style to your next presentation. With sophisticated blow-molded curves, ShowStyle morphs from a stylish briefcase to a generous 24 by 48-inch fabric-covered tabletop display in seconds. Its self-packing design, changeable graphics, and retracting hideaway handle eliminates the need for clumsy panels and cases. Every ShowStyle includes an arch-top header that stores in the back of the display and mounts instantly to the top for added visual impact. Photos, charts, and graphics attach to the Velcro-ready panels in seconds. And after your presentation, ShowStyle folds back into a briefcase with graphics still in place for transport. Weighing just 11 pounds and measuring 13 by 25 inch closed, ShowStyle is the ideal tool for recruiters, trainers, schools, pharmaceutical sales reps, and a host of other presentation needs. It's available in 6 fabric colors, and because of its compact size, it can travel as a carry-on with most airlines. For added visual impact, try the ShowStyle Stage 2, featuring 2 50-watt low-voltage Lumistar halogen lights that attach in seconds and store in a stylish travel bag, complete with shoulder strap for comfort and convenience. Need something larger for your next trade show? Consider the new ShowStyle Pro32 model. With all of the convenience and portability of the original ShowStyle, the Pro32 features 4 16 by 32 inch panels that provide an impressive 14 square feet of graphics area, 77% more than the ShowStyle briefcase display. Weighing just 20 pounds, the Pro32 fits perfectly on a 6-foot table and is ideal for trade shows and larger events. And like the Stage 2, it's also available with halogen lights and travel bag with shoulder strap. Order yours today and walk in with ShowStyle to make your next presentation an open and shut case for success.